Now we're gonna make this really cute little Father's Day card. Your dad's gonna love it. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and lay it into my Mini Bowdabra. I'm just gonna tuck it underneath so it stays out of the way. Next, I'm going to take my, this really pretty grosgrain ribbon, and I'm just gonna put it in here. Let's do this little crease there. I'm gonna fold it back. I'm gonna do a little mountain up crease here, and I'm just going to crease the center and scrunch that into my Mini Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm gonna pull it through my slip knot and pull it really tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra. Pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot. I have this really pretty glittery ribbon, and I just cut a really thin strip, and then I have the satin ribbon. So I'm just I'm gonna center it because I'm using a little bit more of the satin, just so that you have the glimmer of the ribbon underneath showing. And I'm gonna go to the front of my bow, and I'm just gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna take a glue strip and just going to fasten this right there. And then I'm going to take another little adhesive. And now I'm just going to set this aside as we make the card. For the card, what I've done is taken some blue cardstock, I cut it in half, and just folded it in half. Then I found this really pretty striped fabric, and I pretty much cut it to the size that I want. In order to do the circle, I just drew a circle around my ribbon roll. So now that it's adhered on here, I'm just gonna cut it, open it up, and cut the fabric so that it's the right size. Once you've attached the card, then what I'm gonna do is cut another circle, and I'm gonna use the outside of this, and that's going to, I've already cut the circle out, and I'm just going to adhere it using some strips. Then I'm gonna take my little adhesive letters. Dad, we have him down there. And now I'm gonna go back and get my bow, and I'm gonna just adhere my bow tie right there. And you have this really cute, easy Father's Day card. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.